Witam Was na kolejnym wideo z serii Learn and Train z KSPN-em. W dzisiejszym wideo weźmiemy sobie słówka związane z wczorajszym filmikiem z dnia treningowego z naszymi trenerami, a dokładnie chodzi o naszych bocznych obrońców, czyli weźmiemy sobie słówka związane z naszymi bocznymi obrońcami, z ich cechami. A więc boczny obrońca po angielsku to jest fullback. Fullback to jest nasz boczny obrońca, ale oczywiście jest to obrońca, jeżeli mówimy o ustawieniu na przykład 4-4-2, czyli czwórką z tyłu. Wtedy mamy naszego lewego i prawego obrońcę, czyli taki obrońca to jest fullback. Fullback to jest boczny obrońca i left back to jest lewy obrońca, left back. I right back to jest nasz prawy obrońca, ale pamiętamy, że to jest przy naszym ustawieniu z 4 obrońcami z tyłu. Wtedy mamy do czynienia z naszymi fullbacks, czyli z naszymi bocznymi obrońcami. Mamy także naszych, często można słyszeć takie stwierdzenie wahadłowych obrońców, czyli przy ustawieniu trójką lub piątką z tyłu. I po angielsku tacy wahadłowi nazywają się wingbacks. Wingbacks, czy wingback to jest nasz wahadłowy, wingbacks to są wahadłowi. I także mamy lewego i prawego, czyli left wingback i prawego right wingback, czyli naszego lewego wahadłowego i prawego wahadłowego. I to jest na przykład przy ustawieniu 3-5-2. I cechy, które są bardzo ważne dla tej pozycji, czyli positioning, czyli pozycjonowanie, positioning, strength, czyli siła, strength, technical ability, czyli umiejętności techniczne, technical ability, composure, czyli opanowanie, composure, acceleration, czyli przyspieszenie, acceleration, pace, czyli tempo, pace, speed, szybkość, speed, stamina, czyli wytrzymałość, stamina, tackling, czyli odbiory piłki, tackling, footwork, czyli praca nóg, footwork. Często możemy słyszeć, jak na przykład jako obrońca cofamy się z napastnikiem i trener raz mówi, żebyśmy pracowali na nogach, żeby pracować nisko na nogach. To footwork to jest właśnie praca na nogach. Footwork. I mentality, czyli mentalność. Mentality. Powtórzymy sobie jeszcze raz wszystkie cechy naszych fullbacks, czyli naszych bocznych obrońców, a więc positioning, strength, technical ability, composure, acceleration, pace, speed, stamina, tackling, footwork i mentality. A teraz zapraszam Was na kolejny filmik, kolejne wideo prosto z Anglii od Owena Coyla.
Welcome back to CO2 Sports Plus, great having you again. Today's session is a really simple session that we're going to really have a good workout while we also focus on a little bit of ball mastery. To achieve this session all you need is a little bit of space, similar to what I've got here. You need one football and you need 4 markers. Have a look at step 1 now. So, step number 1, all we're going to do is shift the ball with the inside of our feet from left to right, and we're going to do 10 repetitions of that. Once we have done 10 repetitions, we're then going to sprint out to the far cone on my right hand side. Once I come back, I'm going to do 10 more, and I'm going to go out to the left, and then 10 more out to behind me, and 10 more again finally before finishing on my right hand side. Have a look. Step number 2 now, all we're going to do is we're going to do toe taps. So the same exercise this time, except the toe taps are going to replace the side to side movement with the ball. Have a watch now. Today's last part of the session is we're going to do a scissor step over. So we're going to use our both left and our right feet to step over that ball, and then again, once we've done 10, we're going to accelerate out to the 4 cones before returning home and restarting the exercise all over again. Take a look now. So today's exercise is a really simple one. This can be done for as long as you want to really get benefit out of the session. If you want to use rebound balls and play passes in instead of the ball manipulation, again, you can be as creative as you like. If you want to do keep you up before then sprinting out to the cones, that's absolutely fine. Even if you want to take the ball with you, that's not a problem at all. So you can adapt and change this session however you like with really limited equipment with not a lot of space. We hope you enjoyed the session. We look forward to seeing you back tomorrow for the challenge. And again, thank you very much for all your support. Welcome back to CO2 Sports Plus. It's great having you again. We're going to start really light this week with a little bit of a challenge that's really easy to follow and really easy for anyone to participate in. All you need is a little bit of space and a ball. Have a look at step 1 to see who can take on after the going down. Today's touch control challenge is really easy to follow. All we're going to do is throw that ball up in the air, and we're going to look to control it using different parts of the body and then maintain that control once the ball hits the ground. Have a look at step 1 now. Step number 1 was easy. Okay, so now we're going to look at step number 2. In step number 2, we're going to use a different part of the body to now control the ball, which is the foot. As we did with the thigh, I would also recommend you using your other thigh that you might not have used. And for this part, use one foot and then use your other foot and get good practice in controlling that ball with both sides of the body. Step number 3 now, it's a little bit more challenging. We're going to let the ball bounce and then trap the ball under control quite quickly. Have a look now. Lastly, step number 4. What we're going to look to achieve this time is instead of killing the ball dead on the floor, we're going to look to keep that ball and the momentum going with keeping the ball up in the air and having a few keep-ups once you've done so. So this time I'm going to use the outside of my foot to control that ball, and then I'm going to keep it moving in the air. Have a look now. A really light and easy session to start the week off. We hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow's session is going to be a high intensity We're going to concentrate on some real key details and components in improving our performance. Again, it's hard being at home, but we're making the most of it. We're loving having you along the journey with us. Stay at home, stay safe. Thanks again.